Hey guys, we're here to present our Android soccer app. My name is Oscar Zepeda,
My name is Danny Salcedo.
and we're just gonna talk a little bit about what we did for our app, why we did it, a bit of our roles in making this app, and just a few notes on the problems that we had during this process.
So basically, I'm just gonna go over why we decided to make a soccer app. We're both interested in soccer. I've grown up with it. It's been something I've enjoyed. I love. I watch over the weekends. So we decided to make an app on soccer. Mainly, our app was supposed to present the fixtures and the positions in each league. So which team was in first, which team was in second, etc. Now I will be showing you guys what my main role in the project was, which was just implementing the JSON files and the API key in order for our app to have any information to run on. So to begin, here we have our main activity, which is mainly what everything was being worked on. And in here, what I was trying to do was call the API and get the information needed in order to run the app. For right now, it shows date of birth and things like that. It was mainly just to get some information because we had errors, and we'll go over on what main errors we had. So mainly our API was from footballdata.org, and in their website it gave us an abundance of information such as competitions, teams, standings, match scores. Had even more information from that, but what we mainly wanted was standings, to get standings from particular competitions or certain leagues. So here I'm opening, show you one example of the JSON that we should have received from our end. So in here it shows the regular season, it shows the teams such as Man City played games, how many they won, it shows their position was in the win. So now we're back to the program, and basically in there I was supposed to, through the API, it was supposed to call that information and give it to us in order for us to have something to work on and present in our app. But what a main error we had was called communication to API server not permitted by network security policy. And we tried to get something. We tried to get solutions from Stack Overflow, from YouTube, from ourselves, see if we had any typos, and that was it. But we couldn't get anything at all. We didn't know how to fix it. We tried multiple things, but we were reverting back to the same error, which was communication to API server not permitted by network security policy. We didn't know what to do at that point, and which is by time constraints, we weren't able to continue on with our app making process. Now I'll have Oscar talk about what he did with the app and his role in it.
So now I'm going to talk a little bit about the UI. Here on the home screen, we have our leagues button, fixtures and scores. We also implemented a background that we were able to add. We just found this image on Google. So here, if you click on the leagues button, it'll take you to a league screen. And so this screen has our different leagues that we're going to represent. We're going to have just the main leagues: Premier League, Bundesliga, Serie A, all sorts of leagues. So our plan was, when you click on the league button, it was going to open up the standings. It was going to allow you to select either scores or see who's the top scorer, so on. Like mentioned before, we were not able to get this implemented. Currently, if you just click on the buttons, they don't do anything. We did add a back button just to see on click and kind of understand how that worked. We also added a icon to this app as well.
Thank you for watching our video and knowing our app. As I said from the beginning, this was made from both beginners who have no experience creating an app. We would have wished we could have done something far more with the app, had more things on there, fixed our JSON and security error.